Hey guys, Dean here from ASAP House Group. Just a quick video on getting your house to sell fast. It is all in the details. So this here is a property that we're doing a quick renovation on and flip on. I'll just show you down here. We've got the old piece of glass. This was a builder's grade type front door that came with the house. And so basically what we've done is we've gotten the glass and we are now putting in, or I should say we have already put in, this nice piece of glass, which matches the rest of the glass around it, which is awesome. And then I'll be painting the door and we're going to replace these with a much more contemporary set. So all in all, piece of glass, 250 bucks. Install was 100, and then I got a deal on the deadbolt lock kit, so another 100 bucks. So basically, for less than 500 bucks, it's a pretty amazing change as to if you can see that the difference. And if you look on my previous post, you'll see what the old one was. Huge difference. And I'll be posting once it's painted as well. So the other thing I'll just mention is, and this is a small thing, but you know, people don't even realize it, is make sure that all your bulbs are functioning, all your light bulbs are functioning, and that they're all the same. Otherwise, it looks funny if you've got some white and some that are like a soft yellow. And I'm just looking here, I don't know if you can see that, but these two bulbs, oh, let me just turn that enough here. Yeah, so those two bulbs are slightly different than that bulb. So we'll be changing those just so that they're all the tinges are the same. One last little tip here. As you can see, we've painted all the walls, we've done all the trim. And then you come in and you see something like that. Nothing says old house like that. So all you do, just pop that sucker off. Obviously there's a couple screws. And place one of these on. This was about 17 bucks. And that's upside down, so it looks funny, but basically, look at that. Once that's screwed on, boy, oh boy, brand new again. Again, these are the little things that help a house sell. You want it to look new. We also redid the floors in this place. Yeah, lots and lots of little things. So anyways, just going back to it, it's easier to sell if you're paying attention to the details, okay? Anyways, hope you're having a great day. Thanks for taking the time, and thanks and take care. Good night.